Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Be Creative Flowers for the month of May. This is an open collab hosted by Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie, also known as Terry. Hi Terry again. Now I did something on my other channel, which is cards and paper crafting, but I am doing this on both channels for most months, not all of them, but most of them. And this month our theme is flowers, because you know, May flowers, right? So the first thing I wanted to, well, I did start with the bargain bead box for May. Oh, hang on, I have to go get the sheet. So what caught my eye and I wanted to try something different was the two pieces, although I only used one, of the lampwork glass flower bud beads in lavender. So I used them. I used the 8mm violet quartz dyed round beads. I used the 4mm cat's eye glass bicone beads in spring green. And I did also use I think it was the light lilac in the 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads. And then I did use some wire, well, show me. I had this copper wire in purple/silver. It's a twisted wire. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a twisted wire. It's not coming through very well. There. And it was from jewelrymaker.com. I wanted to try something I hadn't done before. This is a 28 on 28 gauge. So when it's twisted together, it's actually thicker than 28 gauge. Probably about like a 24 gauge, which was perfect. Sorry for the rattling. And then I did not use the findings from the kit. I actually got a magnetic clasp out of my stash. One silver plated jump ring and this silver chain from Bargain Bead Box. It was still 4x3 and 3.5mm link, silver finish steel. And the clasp, I forget, I think I got it at Michael's or Joanne. So I made an asymmetrical necklace. This is it, and this was my experiment with the bud. I'm going to put a link down below for a video I watched on how to make this. It's really quite easy, except that it's very easy to get it lopsided. So I actually made another one, and like these petals were up to here and these were down to here, so I had to do it over again. But it really is fast and easy. The bud sticks up off the piece. Go down here like this, and I just put a loop on the back of it, and what I did is I put the little bicones through, and so it would be flatter back here. I have more of the coins back there too, but that way those bicones hold it in place. It will flop if you once it's not being worn, but wearing it's okay. It's pretty good. So that's it. These are the 8mm violet quartz. These are the little crystal coin beads, and then these of course are the spring green cat's eye bicones. I put it on soft flex amethyst wire with their crimp beads tubes, and those were the wire was out of a kit. I forget which one, an old kit, and I only had enough to do the necklace left. And then I don't remember how much of this. And then here is the magnetic clasp, and it just hooks like that. It's a flower on both sides. So I thought that was perfect, and I only had one left. So this, I came all the way up, that's the asymmetrical part, to the clasp, and then this is chain on the other side. I just think that is really pretty. I really love making necklaces for some reason, and this is, if it measured right, this should be 18-inch also, but it looks smaller to me, so I don't know. But I thought that was kind of cool. And this part, it's once you get done the wire and holding it together kind of thing, I went up through this bead, through a spring green bicone, and then back down. But what you have to do is make sure you come down and go on the other side of the petals, and then you can wrap around a few times. So I might show you how to do it, but if you watch the lady from, I don't know how many years ago it was, she was not making jewelry. She was making like flowers to put in a cup or something, and hers were much bigger. And what you do basically is you wrap it around a tube. So I had, and it has to be a smooth tube, like it can't have a lip here, you won't be able to get it off. So I had this little tube from, I think, Target. Yeah, Target. It was from there when it used to be $1. Test tube push pin. So this was perfect. It's about 1 inch, and that's what I used. I wrapped the wire around 10 times, and then when you slide it off, that's when you have to be careful and try and pinch it together in the very middle, and then wire wrap around to hold it in place. And then you can go up through the bead and down, and then back down to the back and make a loop on the back is what I did. Now she has a stem on hers rather than a loop, but I just wanted a loop to be able to put it on the necklace. So I will link that tutorial on how she did it, but that's basically what I did. And let's see what else. I think that's about it for the necklace. And then I did do one other piece because it's totally different, not using bargain bead box. So let me set that over here. And it's just a cute little bracelet because I had these on my desk, and those were from Joann's Bliss beads. I don't even know if they carry them anymore, from 2017. So there were 4, and when I started out I was using 4, and then I took one off and made it 3, and then I took one off and made it 2. It was still too big, so I made it just be 1 because I don't like it in 2s anyway, so it either had to be 3 or 1. And these are, well, the pink crystals here were out of the Pastel Party Soft Flex kit from 2 months ago, month and a half or 2 ago. Which I had started on a piece for that too, which I should have shown today too, but it's not finished, and I want to finish it properly before I share it. So anyway, I used one of those links for the front. This toggle clasp came out of a kit from jewelrymaker.com, a kit of toggle clasps, which are all in these little pots, and this gold-plated copper toggle clasp. I don't know when I bought it. It had to be 2014 or 15, around that time frame. And I did use Soft Flex Gold crimps. For this one, I used this Soft Touch Satin Silver 49 strand for these little side pieces. And I did use some wire guardians from Fire Mountain because I was hooking it on to open jump rings that came with these, and I didn't want the thread to slip through the jump rings. So let me put this on for you. Very easy. Now I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist, and this now fits. I like it. It probably would fit a 7 inch wrist also. There we go. Yeah, it will definitely 7 to 7 1/4 inch wrist. So cute, dainty little bracelet, nice for summer or spring, right? Little daisies. I have them in white with pink also. So yeah, I thought it came out cute. So those are my pieces for Be Creative flowers, hashtag Be Creative flowers for the month of May. And I will put links down below to those I know are participating, but there probably are others. So don't miss out on seeing everyone's makes. We have till the end of the day on the 13th each month to make something. But this is my make with the May Bargain Bead Box. I'll be making more items with the May Bargain Bead Box soon. And this is one just from things I had in my stash. Oh, I don't know if I told you, these are pink zebra jasper. Those were from Auntie's Beads. Yeah, 4mm round pink zebra jasper gemstones. And this had 2 strands in them, so I think. Anyway, yeah. And then, like I said, the jump rings are all from what came on the daisies. I didn't use my own. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day and a happy rest of the May. I will be back on the 15th with 2 different collabs. Passion for Purple and hashtag Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge, which is a birthstone jewelry challenge. And then again on the 18th for my own collaboration called Jewelry Making Fun, and come see what our theme, color theme, and options are for that. And then just in between or after that, I'll have pieces from Bargain Bead Box May and probably April. And also I have to catch up on some soft flex kits. So there you have it. It's a busy month for making in the jewelry land of Dahlia Designs. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.